Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. It's one of the slides. It's maybe look easy or not beautiful, but it is as it is. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to create 4 rectangle. We insert a new slide. Here we try to create 4 rectangle. And I tell you in the past, you can create 4 rectangle in the same size as easily as possible. You just need to know the mechanics. And after doing something like this, go to shape format and make them fragment. Your shapes are ready. And then you can copy of them and create a copy of them and make it here. Okay, you see it's ready and as beautiful as possible. We create them, we select all of them, make the shape outline to none, and then color them up to these shapes and then copy the text in them. Okay, I copy that. Let me change the colors. Let's go with new colors. I think this color is good. This color, I like it. Let's go with dark green. And also for the last one, let's go with light. Okay, now we copy this slide. The important here is that we bring them out by the distance we want. So here, we need to have an order for the beautiful entrance. Okay, let me create the order. You maybe have a trouble, but okay, it's good. Now we align it center and middle. Then bring it up and set the transition to morph. Now let's see the magic happened. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice night.